Hi, I'm Gerardo Quijada. I've created the fineartairbruscourses.com to help you learn how to airbrush photorealistic paintings. I believe that you deserve a fair opportunity to develop your airbrushing skills, and that's why I made it really easy for you to access all the courses with just a single membership. This way you don't have any limitations to what you can learn on this website. There are multiple courses available here. All of them take you through the entire process of creating a photorealistic airbrush painting with the tools and materials that you already have. Let's take for example the butterfly course. This is a very colorful painting in which you're going to learn how to airbrush it using only the 3 primary colors plus black and white. This one is a very enjoyable photorealistic painting that will take you to the next level even if you're just beginning with the airbrush. But that's just one example in this growing library of airbrush courses. There are other examples such as the Path and the Jet courses. The Path course is an in-depth airbrush course with over 24 individual lessons where you're going to learn how to paint this sharply focused landscape. It has tons of natural textures from the background all the way to the foreground. Everything is in focus on this one. And the Jet is a technical and precise painting where we're going to go over a lot of advanced techniques. It has a good balance between man-made objects and textures as well as the organic textures we can see on the smoke. Along with the subtle warm atmospheric tone, you just won't find a course as in-depth as this one. Airbrushing is an activity that requires great skill. As you follow along with these video lessons, you will learn all the skills to render a wide range of photorealistic elements to make your art more creative. But although all of this may sound complicated, don't let the word photorealism intimidate you. The most difficult part is simply getting started. Once you start, you discover that learning is much easier than you thought. Today, you can take that first step.